Click on the link below to get price. The A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator is an impressive product that combines power, portability, and quiet operation, making it an ideal choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup at home. Weighing in at just 46 pounds, this generator is incredibly lightweight, allowing for easy transport without straining your back. One of the standout features of this inverter generator is its quiet operation. With a noise level of only 58 decibels, it allows you to enjoy your outdoor activities without the disruptive roar typical of traditional generators. This makes it perfect for nighttime use at campsites where noise restrictions might apply. The clean power output, with less than 3% total harmonic distortion, ensures that your sensitive electronics, such as laptops and smartphones, are safe from damage. The 1500-watt output is sufficient for running small appliances, power tools, and other electronics. It offers two 120V AC outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port, providing versatility and connectivity that is essential for modern users. Starting the generator is easy with the recoil start system, and its efficient fuel consumption allows it to run for up to 7 hours on a full tank, depending on the load. The build quality is commendable, featuring a robust design that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The built-in safety features, including low oil shutdown, protect the engine and extend its lifespan, giving peace of mind during operation. While the A-iPower 1500-watt generator excels in many areas, it does have its limitations, primarily its wattage capacity, which may not suffice for larger appliances. Additionally, the gas-powered nature means you need to factor in fuel availability during extended outdoor adventures. Overall, the A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator is a reliable, lightweight, and user-friendly option for anyone seeking a portable power solution. Its combination of quiet operation and efficient energy output makes it a standout choice for both casual and serious outdoor enthusiasts.